Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view and remove your download history in Microsoft Edge. So it won't remove the downloads to your computer, but if you want to remove the history from showing up in your Microsoft Edge web browser, and I'll show you the easy method. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So dito lang sa ating Microsoft Edge web browser, and then dito lang sa upper right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong dot. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang select tong downloads. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating download history na dito siya. Okay, so pwede mo ito i-download one by one. And then next ay pwede mo naman itong i-view dito lang sa Open Downloads folder. Ito siya, i-click mo lang yan. And then pwede mo itong i-search. Ayan. And then next ay click mo lang tong tatlong dot dito. Click mo lang yan. And then click mo lang tong Open Downloads page. And then nandito lahat yung download history natin sa all files natin, nandito siya. Okay? Kung paano ba ito i-remove, so kailangan mo na i-click tong clear all. Okay? So click mo lang yan. And then click mo to remove all. Ayan. So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-view and remove your download history in Microsoft Edge. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.